Afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Reflecting on our readings today, particularly the Gospel, once again we are confronted with the old question: what makes human beings happy? Ano ba ho talaga ang nakapagpapaligaya sa atin? Many will probably affirm that whatever makes us feel good is that which makes us happy. Feeling good then becomes the determining factor of human fulfillment and happiness. My dear brothers and sisters, Jesus speaks about being happy or blessed in God's eyes, far beyond the idea of being good or feeling good in our gospel for today. For Jesus, it is when we do good and strive to be good, merciful, compassionate, like Heavenly Father, that we are truly blessed and happy. Doing good also makes us feel good, but not always. Have you experienced devoting your time and energy for others, but in the process becoming the object of envy and criticism? Maybe for practical reasons, this situation tempted you to quit doing the good things you had been doing. But Jesus does not follow the way of practicality and pragmatism. He dreams of a world where we can see things in a new and different light, where we are not slaves to our fears and narrow visions of life, where we are not centered on ourselves, but on God and His kingdom of justice, love, and peace for all, where we dare to risk ourselves for a cause much greater than us. Those are blessed, remain faithful to the Lord and to His words, no matter what. My dear brothers and sisters, where are the happy people spoken of in the gospel? Many bad things happen in our world every day because of what selfish people do, and many good things that good people do not do. The darkness around us will continue to grow if we keep on hiding our lamps under our beds. Indifference and cowardice are not the paths chosen by the blessed in God's kingdom. Rather, the paths of burning charity and active commitment, constantly marked by meekness and humility. Again, my dear brothers and sisters, those who are truly blessed remain faithful to the Lord and to His words, no matter what.